Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Social Security implications of problems you may have with exposure to dust, fumes, gases, breathing irritants. And all these things can occur maybe because you were sometimes in a military situation. It could be because of past work, but you may not be able to perform or even be around for any more than a couple minutes a situation where there are breathing irritants. And that's relevant for Social Security purposes because judges will include environmental limitations like these in vocational witnesses, in questions to vocational witnesses. So, for example, if your past work involved working outside or in a warehouse or around flames, combustible materials, then if you have an exposure problem to dust, fumes, and gases, then that would eliminate past work and then shift the burden of proof from us to Social Security. That's actually very helpful in terms of making them prove that you do have the capacity for work as opposed to us having to prove that you don't. I think it also suggests to me, if you've got breathing irritants, that you may have some lung capacity issues or lung problems, which could open up a whole nother argument that you may not have breathing capacity that would eliminate certain types of walking jobs or exertion jobs where you have to climb ladders, ropes, scaffolds. So you see, the more things that you can't do, the more medical issues that limit your performance in activities, the more categories of jobs you would not be able to do. And at the end of the day, we have to show that you cannot do any type of job, any type of competitive work. So if we can eliminate, let's say, 20 or 30% of the jobs out there in the national economy, that is helpful to our argument. Now, I will tell you that not being able to be exposed to dust, fumes, gases, things like that, breathing irritants, that generally is not enough to win a case. You normally have to have something else. But it can be a piece of the puzzle. So if you have a problem with breathing irritants, problems with dust, fumes, gases, things like that, make sure to mention it to your attorney, because not only can it eliminate jobs that directly involve exposure to environmental irritants, but it can also suggest there's some sort of lung issue, which again may open up a whole nother argument for us in proving that you do not have the capacity for any kind of work at all. And it could also help with a grid ruler argument if you have physical limitations in reducing your capacity to sedentary. So again, there's a lot of different ways to use that, but if you have breathing irritant problems, make sure to discuss it with your attorney. Make sure to get it documented on your medical records so that we know exactly how severe it is, and you can see that there's a lot of ways to use that particular limitation when making an argument for disability under Social Security law. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook, subscribe to our channels, YouTube and Facebook, and let me know if I can answer any questions for you. This is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you well. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.